Stay tuned. This is gonna be awesome. All right, dudes, we're out on the water now. We got some big rollers in the background. It looks like it's gonna be good though. We got this little secluded bay. Ben has found the juice apparently, so we're gonna get out here and see if we can whack them. We got Mikey up there shooting some rad B-roll. You gotta love it. And there's Ben going full send right there with his shirt. Heck yeah! Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be epic.
You ever fish a Great Lake, dude?
No, it's the first time I've been on a Great Lake.
On a boat.
Feels great, dude.
I like it.
What's the bottom feel like?
I don't know, it's just got kaglunga on something, so there's something that's sticky, but it's mostly sand, like almost 100%.
Kaglunga, I like that.
Kaglunga.
Yeah. It's a new one for me.
They got teeth or anything? Wow. It's like a white smallmouth.
Yeah, it's just like my drum.
Yeah, like the TV drum.
Yeah. There's nothing fancy about them at all. They're just fun to catch.
Come on.
Fun to catch.
Kind of a big deal, guys.
It's kind of a big deal, you know what I mean? Oh baby, oh baby, he's got another.
Dang, dude.
Oh god. Spot. Big fish. Big fish.
Oh,
big fish.
Whoa.
Big angry fish. Dude.
Oh, dude, that screwed up.
Dude, the opening bell.
Oh, sweet. Dude, I thought I had another drum. And totally a different color of water, which makes for a different color smallie.
Oh god, dude, that's so sick.
That's freaking cool. It's probably
Great Lake smallmouth.
First Great Lake smallie, dude. On a boat.
Sweet.
In the waves, taking on water. Thank you, Benjamin Nowak.
Get it! No.
That's your last. That's your last cast too with that one, I guess. You want to spot like it? Fish.
Fish.
Dude. First Great Lake smallmouth for
Look
you.
at that. Ah! Dude, I was just like bringing it up. That fish was just falling.
Nice, dude.
Nice. Last cast with this crankbait.
The fish hurt.
This doesn't work.
It's a sign, bro.
Crankbait's no good.
I had to sacrifice one. They're like, yeah.
Okay, you're gonna get it, Joe. He said last cast.
Last cast. So we're all trying to do different stuff, and this man is bait master, as I told you about. He's master of many things. Dude, freaking got that. It's a wannabe wiggle wart or an actual wiggle wart? Wannabe.
It's a 6 cents version of it. I've heard good things about it.
But like crawl color, just trying to hit the bottom. But
trying to hit the bottom.
Up.
She hit it on the way up. Must have followed it up off a rock. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Fish.
Oh, Ben's got a monster. Oh dear. You got it.
Holy Jesus.
Holy crap. I'm in the wake.
No, you're good.
I don't know. Yes, Ben. Benji with the Beast Coast.
On the rock bait. Holy dude. Dude, that's gigantic.
That's a Mondo.
They were big. That thing looks like a rock.
Let me see that thing. Oh, dude. Dude.
Saccharide.
The one that he just told me to throw. Oh, I got one. Big one. On a big. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Did you see that thing?
Oh, my.
Oh, my gosh. It's like charcoal. And he's got friends.
Does he?
He had like 3 friends. Oh.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh my gosh. Look at the charcoal.
Dude.
Freaking beast.
Here, you fish.
Oh,
tie up.
I gotta get.
Grab my rig. Just cast it over there.
Wait, come back to the back where it's easier to cast. Oh, dude, that's a 5-pounder. Oh my gosh, dude, that might be my new PB. Dude, that's a heavy fish. Holy smokes. Broke another hook on my bait. Dude, look at that. Oh, you meanie. Oh, what is the weight on this freaking thing, dude?
Shoot. Holy Jesus. Stop. Yeah, do it again. It's all over the place with that fish jumping like that.
9 pounds.
Yeah, it's a 9-pounder. It locked at 5.2. It's not a 5.2.
Nah.
I mean, it's big.
It's close to 5.
4.6.
Are you kidding me?
That was so freaking epic, dude. That was basically a double. If I wouldn't have just tossed mine back, that was a double.
Yeah.
You got water coming over the front deck.
Oh, we're calling that a double.
Dudes trying to catch them. We got giants jumping, eating. Oh, dude, that's so much fun.
All right, guys, a little update here. You probably can't hear me because the wind's blowing like freaking crazy, but we've been catching some good ones. What do you say, man? Catching some big ones? Some freaking big ones. Different color too. They're like darker or they're like really pale. It's kind of crazy. You know, I guess just a different water color and a different environment that they're in, but it's been awesome. You guys gotta love it. I gotta love it. Ben's gotta love it. Mikey's gotta love it. I mean, Joe's gotta love it, for, you know, heaven's sake. So anyway, we'll catch y'all here in a little while. We're gonna catch some more.
That might be one of those instances where you lose a fish, shut this fish.
Here he is. First cast with a hog farmer, baby.
Oh,
Did you get that out of footage?
that's hilarious.
Good catch, dude.
Way to go, Scott. Thanks for tying these up for me, buddy.
That's so cool, dude.
Popped off a rock, donk. Just like a largemouth does.
Right there?
Yep, out in there. This might be the tick because it's a 1/2 ounce, dude. It kind of like...
It stays there and it holds, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like...
And it's basically weedless. It's a football head.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I think maybe for
Catch
now.
another 5er.
For now.
Oh, there he is.
There he is.
What the heck, dude? I made that cast 473 times.
Not a bass.
Oh, dude.
It's a walleye.
Oh, I thought I had a pike. Dang it. I love you too, though. Come here.
He's got dinner for days, dude.
Cool. Good work, dude.
Thank you. There he is. Biggin. Real biggin.
I got it.
I mean a biggin. Keep her up above the...
Cast back in.
Oh God, dude. What is this? Uh-huh. Yeah, we got a melon slaunch here. I don't know if it's a bass or not.
Big walleye. Big
Pike! I got a pike! Ah!
And you got
Oh
your
my
bait back.
gosh!
Oh, dude.
Dude, pike! I got a pike. I've never done
Pike!
it. What? Yes! Slime rocket. My own very own slime rocket. Okay, that's awesome, bro. I really don't know what to do beyond this point, but I'm so excited. My life is complete now.
Dude, you caught just about every this big fish.
I've caught everything I wanted to catch, like, for sure. Ugh. Oh, dude. That's gross, man.
He goes, that's gross, as he wipes it on you.
You know what happened there.
Yeah. Not a fan.
Put this back in my.
That fish had a hold of it. Goodness. That's a big one, dude. That's a big one. Oh my God. Drum? Sturgeon? Pike?
Pike.
Snag the pike.
How did that even happen, dude? That was just sitting on the bottom while I was picking that lash out. Alright, it's just getting silly now.
Is that the jerkbait too?
No, that's the freaking stand-up, bro. I never moved it. I just reeled down and there's fish moving with it.
Dude, you need to buy Lotto. Like, seriously,
Tonight.
Lotto. Like,
Did I lasso it?
Yeah, you lost it.
there we go. Fight is on, gentlemen.
You can tell it to your tuna.
There we go.
Dude.
Hey guys, you gotta love it. You honestly can't script this stuff. You can't write it. I mean, who even does that? With a weedless shaky head with a freaking worm on it. There's one, big one.
Oh man.
Oh God, dude. Moving way, way too slow.
Got a giant.
It's a big fish, whatever it is. Like a monster Walter, monster Walter or pike.
Dude.
And you haven't lost that bait. Oh! Oh! Mr. Smooth up there in the camera.
Smooth operator.
Didn't see him hit.
Ugh.
I was going for the easy one, at least you didn't have to touch it.
I like it, I like it.
Yeah, as long as you get that bait in the net, you're good to go.
Yeah, yeah. If he would have porpoised out with the bait, I would have been sad. Did 20 pounds on a trap all the time.
Oh, that's gotta be horrible.
It's always right where the bass are too. A lot of times, like, you'll throw right back in there and catch a 6-pound bass. Oh my gosh! It's a Mikey! The Mike attack! Oh, that's not a drum. That is not a drum, boys. Boys and girls, that is not a drum.
Throw in there.
Oh shoot, yeah, you're right. I'm sitting there hanging up my laurel. That's a big one. That's a slaunch. Oh gosh, dude. Come here, girl. Come here.
Coming on, baby.
Oh gosh, dude.
Thanks, buddy. That's freaking awesome. Oh, dude.
New PV.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I ain't gonna bother. But look at how gorgeous that thing is.
Dude, show me. Dude, she choked it.
Dude, absolutely. Yeah, look at that. Ben liked my bait.
Golly.
She liked my bait. And dude, it's so great.
This thing even has sweet hooks on it, everything. I just need the fish to bite it now. Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, we're on.
First hair jig fish.
Very big?
First hair jig fish ever.
First hair jig fish ever.
It's not big.
Oh, you went in the wrong door.
Look at that.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I have no idea what we have going on.
What? That would have been sick if I would have intercepted that little bird right there with that thing. Well, pow!
You guys get coots by you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you go run them in the freaking grass?
Yeah. That's really fun.
We are out here.
Oh, dude.
Big old fish and Caleb took this one.
Yeah.
Just gotta love it.
There he is.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Oh, she's mad. She's an angry elf.
Look how big that is.
Dude, I didn't think it was that big.
That's a giant.
That's a big fish. She missed it the first time.
Giant.
Hey, craw dogger. What just went down right there?
Dude, I missed a fish and then I was trying to reel it to the boat and she said, no, I want that. I want that twin. I said, okay, you can have that Twinkie. You gotta love it.
Holy Jesus. You need some pliers there, Crow Dogger? Oh, bro. So that's like the exact opposite color of the one I just caught. Like, that's the Goldie Girl, and then they got the other one that's like the striped darkie. That's freaking nuts.
That's like 3.5.
Just broad. That one's broad all the way
like
through,
I got
dude.
Triple tail. I got a tiny little mouth.
Tiny little mouth. Yeah, 14 ounces ain't gonna do it.
Fish is a little bigger than that, maybe. What a football. Redefining football right
4-3.
4-3. Dude, we're working on a mega bag again. Hold on.
Guys.
All right, let's get her. Get it, boy.
Oh, get in there. Get in there.
She wasn't done yet. She was fresh, boy.
She was just
Fresh
looking
and
around. She just wanted to see what was up. See that, guys?
Now, what are you doing with it?
Just crushing it across those little rock piles.
Chicka, 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 boom!
That's right. That's exactly how it was.
It was like that first day with Mike. It was so clean on the floor.
Yeah. And then I came along.
Well, no, not to say that.
Dirty 30. I appreciate you leaving that with me.
25 is a cutoff.
Well, it's only $24.99, so pretty good.
Yeah. Don't tell him that.
Tire back on.
I'll be sick for punching mats in Florida.
Yeah, right?
We were planning to come over here and study the map, see what it looks like. I'll break your ankle.
Throw it all on the ground.
All right, guys, we're back in the truck, heading back to the house. Had another amazing day with Ben out here. Caught all kinds of multi-species day.
Dude, we caught so many different species today.
We didn't catch any walleye. We caught drum.
You caught a walleye.
I did catch a walleye. We caught walleye. We caught a bunch of pike. We caught drum, big drum, just like the ones we got back on Chickamauga, which is crazy. Big smallies, good size largemouth, just a good old fashioned good time. Like you can't beat it, dude.
Yeah, dude. Today was a lot of fun.
Dude, you gotta love it.
Species, dude.
You gotta love it. But it was insane. I don't even know what to say. Seeking Bronze Store, getting it done. We came, we saw it, we caught it, baby. Yeah. I'll catch you on the next one.